It's that time of year again. RSA has hit San Francisco. It's like the Super Bowl for cybersecurity folks with over 50,000 people in attendance. And let's be honest, with all the hacking going on these days, we need all the cyber folks we can get. It's amazing to see so many people coming together and talk about how to make our digital lives safer. And let's not forget the 12 different talk tracks. That's like having 12 different flavors of ice cream to choose from. Analytics, intelligence and response, cybersecurity strategy, architecture, you name it, they've got it. It's like a buffet of cybersecurity knowledge. Yesterday at the DevSecOps Tech Strong Summit, the excitement was palpable. It was like being in a room full of kids on Christmas morning, everyone thrilled to be back in person and doing what they love, talking about cybersecurity. It's good to know that we're all in this together, working towards a common goal of making our digital world a safer place. So let's raise a glass to RSA and cyber folks who make all this possible. Cheers, and don't forget to update your password. This is Grigg in San Francisco.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.